So for attorneys who, work in family law or in the dependency system, what should we know about your services that would help us better be able to serve the community or, inform the court system of your services in the First Circuit?
Well, I think you being a family law attorney, you understand the challenges of the child welfare system probably better than most. And being a provider in it, we run up against some red tape bureaucracy and it runs, frustrations. Our program manager was in court yesterday trying to advocate for a child that's been in our house for almost 3 years. It's all part of how the system operates for me, I think, in my opinion. We don't want to be the bad guys when it comes to uh, the raising of children. But at some point, the court and the legal system has to say enough is enough. And these court cases get drawn out for years. I remember community-based care down in Circuit 5. There was a family that I had as a supervisor of a unit. One of my workers was working a case that had 4 children that had been in the foster care system 7 years. That's just, it's not acceptable. We have to find permanency for these children, but courts are reluctant to terminate parental rights. And, in some instances, that's got to be the course of action. These parents get chance after chance after chance while their children are being raised by other adults. And at some point, they need somebody to call mom and dad. They need somebody to build a lasting, long-term relationship with. And the parents are no longer in the picture. They continue to struggle and to relapse, and the courts continue to give them a new set of time frames to be able to work their case. And who's suffering in this? It's the child or children. And so for me, I know that sometimes the guardians get a bad reputation for going against the case management's decision on reunification or course of action of what needs to be done as far as a permanency goal for the children. They may be a voice of reason. So, I think that the courts, the attorneys, everybody involved that surrounds or touches the child needs to reevaluate where they come from without bias and really focus on what is in the best interest of the child.